Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of s where we have 2s. First, the derivative of the constant. You got about 0 in here, and I will put about the s. Because we don't have number 9 and number 2, you got about 18. So I need to divide both sides by number 18 in here. So, about this one, we change by u. The s we change by this one. So we know that they are the constant. So I will put this number go outside. Next, I need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about u equals to number 5 secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 25 secant of t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by du. Du we have 5 secant of t tan t dt, because if we do first the derivative of this one, you got about this one. So I will put this one go in here. Du we change by this one. This one that is about 25 secant of t square. 25 we can do about factorization. This one we change tan t square. We need to simplify 5 tan t on numerator and denominator. So number 5 with number 18, we have 90. Number 3 divided by number 90, we have 30 in here after we simplify. Secant of t, that's about 1 over cosine t. Tan t, that's about sine t over cosine t. Now we need to simplify cosine t on numerator and denominator. This one we have cosecant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and we put about c, and this is about the constant. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And then we got about t equals to our secant of u over 5. So later that we put this one to change for t. about u. That is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.